Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you the collection of timeless, profitable furniture ideas from neglected raw wood by upcycling into stunning, high-value furniture pieces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Upcycled timber represents a transformative journey where raw, discarded wood, often overlooked and dismissed as waste, can be lovingly reshaped into stunning, high-value furniture pieces that not only serve a functional purpose, but also embody a spirit of sustainability and artistry. This process showcases the incredible potential of materials that carry a history and character, providing a unique opportunity for artisans and entrepreneurs to create timeless designs that resonate with a growing market. The key to success in this endeavor lies in understanding the entire process, from selecting the right wood to utilizing expert crafting techniques, all while maintaining a commitment to sustainability that reflects contemporary values. The journey begins at the sourcing stage, where raw timber can often be found in a variety of unexpected locales, abandoned construction sites, discarded pallets, and even salvaged from old barns or demolished buildings. These are not merely waste products, rather, they are treasures waiting to be reclaimed and repurposed. Selecting the right wood is vital. Look for species that offer not only durability, but also visual interest. Woods such as oak, teak, and pine have inherent beauty and resilience, making them ideal candidates for transformation into furniture. Each piece of timber tells a story, from its unique grain patterns to its previous life, adding layers of significance to the final product. Understanding the characteristics of the wood, its hardness, grain, and history, empowers the crafter to make informed decisions that will influence the final design and functionality. Once the raw timber is selected, the next step involves careful preparation. This process is crucial, encompassing everything from cleaning and sanding to cutting and shaping the wood into usable dimensions. Properly preparing the wood not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also ensures that the final products are durable and structurally sound. It's essential to take the time needed to remove any blemishes or imperfections without sacrificing the natural beauty of the wood. Many artisans embrace the imperfections inherent in reclaimed timber, as they often lend character to the piece. Knots, cracks, and varied grain patterns can be highlighted rather than hidden, transforming these characteristics into focal points that celebrate the wood's individuality. A beautifully finished surface accentuates the wood's distinctiveness, elevating it from mere material to a work of art. Crafting high-quality furniture from upcycled timber requires not only skill, but also an understanding of timeless design principles. As artisans begin to conceptualize their pieces, it's important to consider how contemporary aesthetics can harmoniously blend with the rustic charm of reclaimed wood. Simplicity, functionality, and elegance should guide the design process. A well-crafted dining table, for instance, can be designed with clean lines that highlight the natural beauty of the wood while ensuring it is functional for everyday use. Incorporating elements like joinery techniques that require no visible hardware, such as dovetail joints or mortise and tenon joints, can emphasize craftsmanship while providing structural integrity. This approach marries artistry with utility, fulfilling the dual purpose of beauty and function. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. As the furniture pieces take shape, artisans also navigate the delicate balance between creating timeless designs and keeping up with market trends. Knowing what consumers are currently seeking in furniture, from minimalistic styles to rustic charm, enables crafters to design items that will resonate with buyers while retaining an enduring appeal. This requires an understanding of the target market and the ability to assess shifting preferences. Having a presence on social media can help artisans gauge public interest and direct their creative energies toward pieces that not only capture their personal style, but also connect with consumer needs. Once these stunning pieces are completed, the next crucial step involves marketing and selling the furniture crafted from upcycled timber. This process requires a strategic approach. Effectively showcasing the timber's narrative is essential to building a connection with potential buyers. In an era where conscious consumerism is on the rise, transparency about the material's origin and the crafting process can significantly enhance desirability. Consider creating a compelling backstory for each furniture piece, sharing insights about the timber's journey, the design inspiration, and the techniques used during its creation. This narrative adds value, elevating each item beyond a mere product and inviting customers to become part of its story. Utilizing captivating photography is equally important. High-quality images that highlight the intricate details of the wood grain, craftsmanship, and overall design can significantly impact selling potential. Displays that capture the essence of the furniture items in attractive settings can help potential buyers envision the pieces in their own homes, further enhancing their appeal. Social media platforms, particularly those focusing on visual content, provide ideal avenues for showcasing finished pieces. Instagram, Pinterest, and even TikTok can serve as powerful tools for reaching wider audiences, while also fostering a sense of community and engagement around the craftsmanship involved. In addition to direct sales through personal websites or social media, consider finding local boutique shops or galleries that may be interested in featuring upcycled timber furniture. Collaborating with local designers or participating in craft fairs and markets can also enhance visibility and connect artisans with consumers appreciative of sustainable practices. By offering these pieces in physical spaces, artisans provide customers with tangible experiences, allowing them to feel the materials, appreciate the craftsmanship, and understand the value behind each item. The profitability of upcycled timber furniture also extends beyond the initial sale, as consumers increasingly seek enduring pieces that add value over time. Design with longevity in mind, pieces that can adapt to various aesthetics, stand the test of time, and become cherished heirlooms can command higher prices and foster customer loyalty. Ensuring the quality of each item will yield repeat customers who care about sustainability and craftsmanship, allowing for the potential of word-of-mouth referrals and establishing a brand reputation built on principles of excellence. Scaling the business requires thoughtful planning and adaptability. As demand grows, artisans may consider expanding their offerings to include custom pieces or complementary items, such as home decor or smaller furniture items. Ultimately, the act of transforming raw, discarded timber into timeless and profitable furniture serves not only as a business opportunity, but also as a commitment to sustainability, creativity, and craftsmanship. Every piece created from upcycled materials carries within it a story of transformation, celebrating the union between nature and artistry in a way that resonates with today's consumers. The tangible results of this labor, stunning tables, chairs, and cabinets, reflect the potential of mindful creation, proving that beauty can emerge from what was once considered waste. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, timeless, profitable furniture ideas from neglected raw wood by upcycling into stunning, high-value furniture pieces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.